Jaecoo J8 is a testament to modern car design, perfectly combining aesthetics with functionality. The first thing that catches the eye is its aggressive front grille, which is not only visually striking, but also serves a practical purpose by improving airflow to the engine, thereby increasing performance. With a sharp, angular design, the LED headlights not only provide excellent illumination, but also add to the car. Carefully designed body lines reduce air resistance, which improves fuel efficiency. Beneath the Jaecoo J8's hood lies a marvel of modern engineering, a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This engine is designed to deliver a robust 250 horsepower, providing ample power for both city driving and highway cruising. The turbocharger significantly enhances the engine's performance by forcing more air into the combustion chamber, which allows for more fuel to be burned and more power to be produced. This results in a thrilling acceleration that can take the car from 0 to 60 mph in just under 6 seconds. Despite its powerful performance, the Jaecoo J8's engine is also designed with efficiency in mind. Advanced fuel injection technology ensures that fuel is used as efficiently as possible, reducing waste and improving mileage. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and quick shifts, further enhancing the driving experience. This combination of power and efficiency makes the Jaecoo J8 an excellent choice for those who want a car that is both fun to drive and economical to own. Step inside the Jaecoo J8, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and sophistication. The interior is crafted from high-quality materials, including soft-touch plastics, leather upholstery, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are designed for maximum comfort with ample cushioning and support for long journeys. Both the driver and front passenger seats are heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The centerpiece of the Jaecoo J8's interior is its advanced infotainment system. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides the driver with all necessary information at a glance, including speed, fuel levels, and navigation instructions. This is complemented by a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system located in the center of the dashboard. This system offers a wide range of features, including GPS navigation, smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system that provides an immersive audio experience.